Hey, what's up guys, this is Anirudh with a new video and you're watching Tech Burns, where you find all trending content, gaming and tech reviews and strategy tips for your media. So today we're going to be talking about Fortnite mobile on Android guys. So I'm back with the latest news and all the leaks and all the rumors to be the release date, and I'm going to give you the exact information which I got. So make sure you watch the whole video, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing because we upload great content every day about tech and gaming reviews and strategy tips on how to increase your potential on social media such as YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified whenever we release a new video. And hit the thumbs up on this video and comment below why do you like Fortnite that much and whether you are gaming Fortnite on a PC, Xbox, PS4 or an iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, every day there's a new Fortnite mobile Android video coming, and I know that you people might be confused on whether to believe which video. So I'm gonna tell you all the real news guys. I'm not gonna give you any fake content because I'm not doing this for views. So to talk about the release date, it will not be released in June guys. I'm telling you for sure that the full version will not be released in June. It might be in July or early August guys. So the release date will be announced at E3 2018 by Epic Games for both Fortnite Android as well as Fortnite's Switch version. So it's actually pretty profitable for them because they do not need to advertise for anything, and actually they earn a lot of money if they produce more games at E3 2018. So it's actually good for them. So we have to wait till E3 2018 to know about the release date, and you can play Fortnite Android right now guys because there are many scam videos coming every day about to install the APK, but after we do that, all we get is a human verification scam. So please do not trust those videos and wait till E3 2018 so that the release dates get announced. And also, if you are a Fortnite mobile fan and if you want to play Fortnite that hard on your Android device, then I got some pretty cool clone videos guys. These are not actually scams, but these games actually they bring the Fortnite experience on Android devices. Well, not the exact experience, but still it is fun to play. So you have to wait till E3 2018 and do not trust any type of video because most of the videos which comes are clickbait videos telling that Fortnite Android will be cancelled, Fortnite Android will be released soon, but they will not tell which date or something like that. So please wait till E3 2018. And if you find this video to be really informative, hit the thumbs up and comment below your favorite battle royale game, and if it is Fortnite, then why do you like it that much and on which device you game. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Meet you all in my next video.